Hi everyone, I just wanted a quick little tip. If you've got educator assistants or assistants working with you and they're either new to the sector or that they're not really sure about child management or behaviour management, those sorts of things, always make sure they know the policies firstly. But secondly, if you are helping them, there's a strategy that you can wrap around it. So let's just say an educator says something along the lines of to a child, oh, if you don't stop doing that, I'm going to tell your mum. Well, you know, what's their mum going to do? Their mum really can't do anything anyway. And if it's an ongoing issue, then that's another story. But just in the day-to-day stuff, what you could do is use the strategy. So you would say to the educator assistant, have you thought about trying ... So have you thought about trying speaking to the child and asking the child just to move away, and then that way the behaviour stopped. So have you thought about trying? Give them the solution in that. So have you thought about talking, or have you thought about getting down low, or have you thought about moving the child, or have you thought about... Because if you get down low or if you move the child, then what that does for this particular child or this particular age group or this particular whatever, that helps the child get distracted from what they're doing, so that child's not, you know, always hearing or hearing negative language. They're moved away. You redirect that behaviour. You give the child a little bit of positive reinforcement. Oh, that's really great now. Well done, well done. And then you say to the educator, to the educator assistant, there's no point in telling them that you're going to call their parents, because in this point here, he's just, you know, he's 2 years old or he's 3 years old. So we're just going to move him over into another part of the program, and that's what we're going to do, because there's nothing the parents can do anyway. So what you're doing, you're giving them have you thought about, so opening their mind, giving them the strategy, the results of that strategy or the results of that action that you want them to take, and then you're giving them, you're telling them what they're doing that is detrimental or that's not accepted or that's not working or whatever. So you're saying, by telling their parents, this is the outcome. So your strategy is, have you thought about, give them the right strategy, what the benefits of that strategy are for the child in particular and the program, what they are doing, and why the consequences of what they're doing is not going to work long term. So hopefully that really helps. Then you can use that strategy around a whole range of things when you're working with educator assistants and even families or whatever. So good strategy to have. So see you later. Bye.